Yo guys, this time I show you my top 5 local landmark in Bicol. Number 1, the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral. The Metropolitan Cathedral and Parish of St. John the Evangelist, also known as the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral, is Roman Catholic Cathedral in Naga, Camarines Sur, Philippines. It is the seat of the Archdiocese of Cáceres. The first church was established after the creation of the Archdiocese as the Diocese of Nueva Cáceres in 1595. The present cathedral was built in 1808 and was completed and consecrated in 1843. And the number 2 is the Cagsawa ruins, also spelled as Cagsawa, historical spelled as Cagsawa, are the remnants of a 16th century Franciscan church. The Cagsawa Church, it was originally built in the town of Cagsawa in 1587, but was burned down and destroyed by Dutch pirates in 1636. It was rebuilt in 1724 by Father Francisco Blanco, but was destroyed again along with the town of Cagsawa on February 1, 1814, during the eruption of Mayon volcano. The number 3 is Minor Basilica, National Shrine of Our Lady of Peña Francia. The Minor Basilica, National Shrine of Our Lady of Peña Francia, commonly known as the Peña Francia Basilica, is a Roman Catholic minor basilica located on the outskirts of Naga City, also known as the Pilgrim City and Queen City of Bicol in the Bicol region of the Philippines. The number 4 is Daraga Church. Our Lady of Cape Parish Church, also known as Nuestra Señora de la Porteria Parish Church, commonly known as Daraga Church, is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Daraga, Albay, Philippines, under the jurisdiction of the Diocese of Legazpi. The church was built by the Franciscans in 1772 under patronage of Our Lady of the Gate. Certain church section was declared as a National Cultural Treasure of the Philippines in 2007. And the last landmark in Bicol is Queens Martires Plaza. Ang Plaza Queens Martires sa rong bantawag sa siyudad ni Naga, Rayon Bicol, na nagtataong onra sa taglimang martir kan Bicol na nagadan huli sa makarimpasakit kan mga Kastila. Como pitsahoton sindang mga rebelde asin kadamay sa mga revolusyonaryo na nagmamawat rompagon ang gobyernong Kastila. Namumugtak ang monumento sa siyudad ni Naga. Ipinatindog ang monumento kan 1926 sa disenyo ni Chispolo Zamora asin ukit ni Jose Barcena. And this time I'll show you my 5 national landmark in the Philippines. Number 1 is Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park or simply Luneta. It's our historic urban park located in Ermita, Manila. It is considered one of the largest urban parks in the Philippines, covering an area of 58 hectares. The site on where the park is situated was originally known as Bagong Bayang during the Spanish colonial period. It is adjacent to the historic walled city of Intramuros. And the next one is Intramuros. Intramuros was designated the National Historical Landmark in 1951. The fortifications of Intramuros were declared National Cultural Treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines, owing to its historic and cultural significance. San Agustin Church, one of 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites under the Entry Baroque Church of the Philippines, is located within the World District. Intramuros and other historical sites in Manila are currently being proposed by the UNESCO Philippine National Commission to the country's tentative list for future UNESCO World Heritage Site description as the World City and Historic Monuments of Manila. And the next one is Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago, built in 1571, is citadel or castle built by Spanish navigator and Governor Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. For the newly established City of Manila in the Philippines, the defense fortress is located in Intramuros, the walled city of Manila. The fort is one of the most important historical sites in Manila. The next is Banawe Rice Terraces. The Banawe Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are stunning system of rice terraces carved in the mountains of Ifugao. Philippines, these terraces created over 2,000 years ago by the Ifugao people are considered an engineering marvel and are often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. The terraces are located approximately 1,500 meters above sea level and are fed by an ancient irrigation system. And the last one is Boracay. Boracay is a small island in the central Philippines. It is known for its resort and beaches. Along the west coast, White Beach is backed by palm trees, bars, and restaurants. On the east coast, strong winds make Bulabog Beach a hub for water sports. Nearby, the observation deck on Mount Luo offers panoramic views over the island. Offshore, coral reefs and shipwrecks are home to diverse marine life. And this is the local landmark and national landmark in the Philippines. Thank you.